get into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is my Bosch 350 watt drilling machine which I had bought recently, and also I had made a unbox and review of it. If you have not watched that video, you can get it in the I button and also in the description box. This video will be based on the tools. For this drilling machine, I have bought some additional connectors called hole saw, which will be very helpful to drill bigger sized holes on the wood. So this is the product. In total you get 11 pieces. I'll quickly open the box and show you the contents. You get 8 holes of different sizes, 2 hex harbors with 1 pilot drill, and 1 Allen key. These are the different sizes they have provided: 19mm, 22, 28, 32, 38, 44, 51 and 64mm. These are 10mm hex harbor, and this one is a 6mm, and this Allen key is used to remove the pilot drill and connect it to the smaller one whenever it's required. So now we'll try to use this with the drilling machine. I have taken the smaller one with this hole saw. And this is how you have to connect. I bought this product online for 280 rupees. Considering the price, you can go with this product if you want to use it for wood or plastic, but these are not recommended for drilling the metal. The product link you will be able to find in the description box below. For any doubts, just leave a comment, and for more videos you can subscribe to us and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back in another interesting video.